In this episode, we will discuss why money, which is hard to produce, always wins over money, which is easy to produce. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. A very nice young lady recently asked me, do Bitcoiners believe that Bitcoin will one day become the global currency used by everyone for all economic transactions around the world? She further turned the heat up on the question by sarcastically adding, and what is the consensus for the timeline of such a momentous development? I was delighted with her questions because, hey, I'm always happy to talk about Bitcoin. And I told her how deep and multi-layered her questions were. Of course, I knew she would be incredulous about anything I might say, so I didn't mince words with her, and my response was, yes, Bitcoiners believe that it is possible for the world to one day be on a Bitcoin standard. Is this a certainty? Of course not. But it is a possibility because Bitcoin is the hardest, most close to perfect money ever invented, and the fiat system we are all cursed to be living under now is absolutely terrible and in a free fall towards disaster. Let's look at the facts. The US dollar is currently the global reserve currency. The US is currently mired with over $34 trillion of ever-rising debt and is still running an annual deficit of about $3 trillion. Is there a conventional way out of this? Who knows? The road that they have been kicking the can down is very quickly coming to an end. They won't be able to stop themselves from printing more and more money under the euphemism of quantitative easing. And history has shown that as a result of something like this, the specter of hyperinflation is all too real. But believe me when I say, Bitcoiners are not naive and not in a hurry. The central banks around the world are not going to go quietly into the night and just merely give up their hold on the enormous power they have. Bitcoin can and will coexist with the status quo, and it will function as a safe haven store of value outside the system. Bitcoin's ability to stave off the ravages of inflation for the common individual as well as nation states is what will draw people and nations toward it. This is the good news of Bitcoin's place in the here and now. Now, in the long run, history has proven that hard money always wins over easy money. Just like the song, "The winner takes it all." People quickly learned that seashells, which were very easy to acquire, didn't function as money as well as gold did, which was very difficult to acquire. And today, we have Bitcoin, whose proof-of-work protocol makes mining of Bitcoin incomprehensibly difficult. Compared to the backed by nothing but decree fiat currencies, which are all attached by an umbilical cord to a money printer standing at the ready. It's actually debatable at this point if seashells are a harder form of money than fiat. So, in the long run, yes, Bitcoin is the answer. The timeline is not as important as the fact that Bitcoin works better than anything else. I want to learn more about Bitcoin. Please follow me on this path. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment if you please. And always remember that just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle.